This is MFR Off-Road Rider, back with another video. I'm out in Carlotta. Just stopped off to give an update on what I've done so far to the new 2021 CRF300L Rally. So I did get the crash bars on. They were kind of a pain, but got them on. Got those off of eBay. And I put on some these little rub blocks to give it a little more extra protection in case you drop it, you know, keep that crash bar away from the fairing, stuff like that. Got the hand guards on, got the shorty levers, I got the tail tidy on. That was pretty simple. Bolted right up, just had to take the old one off and transfer the light for the license plate. Yeah, the weather's a little bit rain possible, sun 50-50 thing. I started headed out Highway 36 and I was going to go out a ways and start a video, but started sprinkling on me and it didn't look too good, so I thought I'd turn around. But anyway, and then what else have I done? The skid plate and the crash bars worked out okay. I mean, I got the crash bars on, but I had to take the skid plate off, and then I had a hard time getting the skid plate back on once I had the crash bars on. But I had to bend the skid plate down here a little bit so it'd fit past the bar of the back part of the crash bar, the lower bar. But it all worked out. Yeah. I'd like to thank all my viewers and subscribers for watching my videos and giving me thumbs ups and all the positive comments. It's much appreciated. I threw on another bag on top of my Wolfman to carry the air hawk in case I need to let some air out of my tires and have to fill them back up. I just carry this little thing called an air hawk. It's battery operated, so I don't have to carry a little air compressor. It's basically an air compressor, but it's just a gun type of air compressor. Yeah, so loving the bike so far. Don't have too many miles on it yet. I've been trying to get all the mods and stuff done on it, so yeah, I got some extra protection and stuff like that before I was going to go out and ride it too aggressively. And yeah, I just wanted to get all that stuff on first, before I did any very long rides and stuff like that. But yeah, so let's go take for a spin through NorCal here until it starts raining. Yeah, I got 57 miles on the CRF. Yeah, it looks like could dump here pretty soon. It was supposed to rain today, but it hasn't so far. So I figured I'd get out and do a video real quick. Because it's supposed to rain for the next I don't know, 5 or 6 days or something. We're supposed to get a total of a foot of rain out of this storm, so it's quite a bit. I already noticed the river's already started to come up. The Van Dusen River, where I rode my last 2 videos, looks like it's flowing into the Eel River now, or close to it, starting to fill up. But I don't know how much rain we've got so far in October, but we need it, that's for sure. Trying to take it easy for the break-in, 300-mile break-in period. It's kind of tough, but it's one of those things, you just got to do it. I've only been on the highway up to speed one time, but not very far, maybe 5 miles or so. Trying to take it easy, do the proper thing break-in wise. I like the slipper clutch on it. It's really smooth. The shifting is really smooth. I tightened up my chain just a little bit because with this bike, the way the swing arm angle is, when I was parked with it on the side stand, it looked like it was really loose, but I got on it and sat down on it, and my son checked it and said it was good. So you can have a lot more slack, looks like, in this on this bike than some other bikes, you know, because of the angle of the swing arm. I'm up to 214 subscribers. This is my 153rd video, something like that. Yeah, there's a lot of rain out there, looks like, but it's that time of the year. But yeah, much appreciate all the views and all my new subscribers. Welcome to the channel. Much appreciate you subscribing and viewing. That's what I'm here for, to show video content and talk about motorcycle content and stuff like that. Yeah, I don't know how long a video I'm gonna be able to get because it looks pretty dark over there, and behind me. I ended up turning around because it started to sprinkle on me. I do have the waterproof case for this, but I don't think you can't use the media mod in the mic, as far as I know, but I haven't really checked it out. But I'm planning on doing some maybe some rain videos or something, you know, because sometimes that's the only way you're going to get them in, is if you put on your rain gear and go for it. Yeah, could get nasty pretty quick, I'm thinking. Looking pretty ominous out there. Kind of surrounded by the rain clouds right now. I mean, the sun's shining, but don't look good. Oh yeah, the Van Duzen's filled up with water a little bit. The Van Duzen River there. I can see rain over there, Ferndale. Yeah, I probably should have gone out and done this sooner, but I was messing with my handguards. I just got them on, you know. This is the first ride since I put them on, so I was trying to get those on. Yeah, it hasn't rained all morning, so that's good. It was supposed to rain all day, but it's held off so far. It's pretty windy as well. Starting to work 410s now that the logging season's over, so hopefully I'll be able to do videos either Friday, Saturday, or Sunday, depending on the weather. So that gives me, you know, an extra day to go out and ride and get a video made, so that'll be nice. Oh boy, the rain is coming. I was going to go down the river bar, but looks like that way it's already raining, so I'm going to head north. See if I can maybe get out of the rain. Got to jump on the highway for a bit. Yeah, hit me up if you guys want stickers or a wristband. I got the silicone wristbands, say MFR Off-Road Rider, the YouTube logo. See you on the next one on the back. They're pretty cool. Everybody I've given them to so far really liked them, so. Supposedly I'm supposed to start logging for someone else here coming up. They got a winter logging plan to where they have gravel roads and stuff, so they're able to haul the logs when the weather's kind of, you know, rainy and wet. So we'll see how that goes. Hopefully the South Jetty opens up pretty soon so I can do some riding down there too. It's been closed for a while, a couple months, because they're building up the jetty with big rocks, big cement. They almost look like jacks, but I don't know what they are, but they're big, huge things to keep the erosion down from the waves. Oh, and I also put on, forgot to mention, I put on the 30mm bar risers to raise the handlebars up a little bit. I put them forward as well, moved them, rotate them forward a little bit so you can stand up a little more comfortable, you know. They're a little low. So so it made it a little bit better. I still think maybe I need to rotate them a little bit farther forward, but they're a lot better than they were. Definitely a lot more torquey. Of course, when you're used to a carbureted single cylinder to a fuel injected, makes a big difference. This is Tompkins Hill Road. Comes out and meets, you can get to Highway 101, or you can just stay on this road, and goes by the College of the Redwoods and then comes back out to the highway, Highway 101. It's a nice little side road, you know. We've had some wind as well. Got up to like 30 miles an hour the other day. That's why all the pine needles and redwood needles and stuff are on the road. Big shout out to Taraxity Moto Endless Adventure. If you get a chance to check his channel out, you need to check it out. He's got a drone, and he does moto and camping and stuff like that. he gave me a big shout out the other day, so thought I'd return the favor. Check out his channel. He's got some pretty cool stuff that he does on his channel. Besides, not just motorcycles, but he does camping and he does paddle. He's got an inflatable paddleboard and like I said, a drone. So yeah, check his channel out. He said eventually he wants to get together and ride, sometime, because he came down as far as just north of or just south of Crescent City and did a video through the drive-through tree in Klamath, I think it was, and yeah, it's pretty close to where I live. So yeah, maybe next time he'll hit me up when he heads this way and we'll go take a spin together, showing some sights or something. If you're looking for a mid-size, mid-weight, mid-cc adventure Dualsport, this is probably the one. I mean, one of the better ones that are out. Like I said, every bike needs something done to it, but like I said, just a little work to the suspension on this and putting some protection on it. It's a pretty solid bike. Took a while to get it, and it's going to take anybody that wants one probably a little bit of a wait to get one too, because there's definitely a shortage of everything. I wonder where that road goes. Must be a logging road or something. Okay guys, I'm gonna end this video right here. I'd like to thank all my viewers and subscribers for watching my video content. Give me thumbs ups and all the positive comments. Much appreciated. This is MFR. Oh wait, let me finish first. Hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell for the release of my next video. This is MFR Off-Road Rider. See you on the next one. Later.